Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, November 2nd, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Today was a nightmare. Um, I'm going to be happy when the elections are over because we're going to know one way or the other how things are going. I would just, of course, tomorrow is voting, and I would anticipate either stocks are going to be wild roller coaster tomorrow, or possibly they'll simply be quiet, waiting for results. If results start to become apparent or obvious um, in the early morning wee hours of Wednesday, I am predicting that Wednesday will either see wild upside movement or um, at least a mini crash on Wednesday. One way or the other, it's going to be a binary choice between a rocket ship and a falling rock. So, and I won't bother to tell you what results are going to produce what, because I don't want to get shut down by the media for on this website. But anyway, we are going to see something pretty big happen on Wednesday if we have election results on Wednesday. If it gets dragged out, it could be really crazy and driven by rumors and false information and everything else. Not going to be pretty. Well, today certainly wasn't pretty. We had only four positions on Friday and were negative $2,700, and didn't think much was going to happen with that. Well, we closed those four positions out this morning with negative $22,000. Yeah, unbelievable. We had four positions, all more negative. One was negative 2,400. Another was negative 6,100. Another was negative 1,900. And then the big one that I'll show you in a second was negative 11,400. So it all added up to negative 20, almost $22,000 on just four positions this morning. That's just horrible. I mean, there just wasn't anything that went right. We got into four new positions um, with two positive, two negative, and we're negative $1,700 going into tomorrow. And this is on a day that the Dow went up 423 points. But part of the problem, it was just part of the problem, was that two of those four positions were basically short positions, short on biotech and short on the NASDAQ, I believe. But the biggest loss wasn't a short position at all. I don't know. I don't know what drove it, but it was pretty horrible. I'll show you that in a second here. So obviously I have absolutely no good stocks to show you. I will show you the nightmare. And this is MICT, which is MICT Incorporated. I don't even know what they do. But it was in our portfolio, and it was taken out of the October portfolio, and we weren't going to trade it in November, but we got into it on Friday, which was still October, and so I have to hold it into today to exit. And this stock that we just, I don't, I'm not even sure if we traded it all month of October. We get into it the last day of October, and it was down 42% today, and that 42% started with this huge gap down, and of course we were stopped out 15 minutes into the day, and with an $11,500 loss. Yeah, it just doesn't get more insane than that. And like I say, other than that, I got nothing to show you. I'm totally disgusted, but I am at least happy that some of the uncertainty that is making our trading so difficult is most certainly the elections. And thank God tomorrow is voting. So I do believe that the stocks will resume a direction after the election results. I sure hope so. Can't take much more of this. Couldn't take many days like this at all. So Trader Bob is signing off. Yes, I'll be back here tomorrow on voting day. That will be Tuesday.